Hello guys, welcome back, and it's on. US elections, it's on. We've started at 10:06 in this morning to draw out the votes from USA. Right now, what we got is 210 votes for Donald Trump and 112 votes for Kamala Harris. In an overall sense, of course, Donald Trump is winning and Kamala Harris is losing. Kamala Harris has 42 million votes, as Donald Trump has 48 million votes. But hey, just think about it, okay? The biggest swing states haven't been drawn yet. So that means this can change very, very quick. And as we were having a chat here on the trading floor, California is a very democratic state. And therefore, since it hasn't been drawn yet, it has 52 electoral votes. Therefore, once it gets drawn out and Kamala Harris wins those 52 votes, she will be all the way to 160, 170, around that, and will be very tight race with Donald Trump on 210 to 220. So this is what can possibly happen from now on. We're having lots and lots of volatility on the short bonds and long bonds as well. 10 years and 2 years bonds. We've seen 10-year bonds rising, 2 years bonds rising as well. If we see those bonds higher than 5.5, we're going to have a problem with the Fed. The book is very tight at the moment. I was looking at some order flow. It's a very thin order flow, very short, very bearish momentum on the euro, very long, very bullish momentum on the US dollar. Euro has dropped more than 100 pips, all the way from 109.32 down to 107.163. That's how the market is reacting to the volatility at the moment. Gold haven't moved much, as I was saying yesterday on my webinar. Gold would be my favorite asset to be trading, but seems like gold haven't had much volatility, trading at 2,734 after hitting all-time highs 2 weeks ago. So will the smart money flows into commodities? Will the smart money continues to buy US dollar until Kamala Harris get in front of Donald Trump and maybe win this election? Or will Donald Trump win the election? My favorite case is that Kamala Harris will probably win the election, and this down move on euro dollar will go all the way up again. But there is always a possibility of everything happening on something happens on the drawing some other states in USA. Now, for you that want to be more in depth into the analysis, I have much things to show everyone, but unfortunately a very short period of time. So today we're going to have a webinar from 5 to 6 p.m. We're going to be talking about those elections, and definitely be following together live, trying to get some good trades on live. So if you are interested on that, if that sounds good for you, then register yourself on the description of this video. You will find the link for you register for the webinar tonight from 5 to 6 p.m. at Australian time. Before we go, guys, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. See you all. Bye-bye.